Alright. Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay. Bricks to Clicks, we're back for another toy pallet. This one, I don't know, might be more customer returns than new stuff, so this one might be a tough one. If you didn't check out our last video, huge pallet, probably about 1,500 bucks on it. It's a pretty good pallet and all. Make sure to hit that subscribe button over in the corner. It's free to do and it helps us out. And we'll see what we get on this. Hopefully the Hot Wheels is new. If the Hot Wheels is new, it's $200 all day for this Hot Wheels Ultimate, super ultimate garage playset.
This whole pallet with it. Just outside of that, everything else kind of.
It's not looking good.
No, these are usually parts. They're usually customer returns.
There's another wardrobe.
Yeah, great, because we need like more of those. Every single one we get has like some broken piece in it.
At least there's an L.O.L house I'm seeing. Maybe that would be new, just package returns.
Oh, there's a our generation kitchen set here.
All right, check it out. Check it out.
So much tape.
Man, there's so much tape. As usual. Half the video is us just taking tape off stuff.
Yeah, and we try to be nice with the tape because you don't want to destroy the package any more than it is. And then we can go after it with the heat gun and really get everything removed from there to try to keep the package as pristine as possible.
That's nice. Gears. Learning resources. I bet you'll be able to send that. That's brand new. Probably 40, 50 bucks.
You'll be able to send too. It's a virtual reality remote control.
Yeah, that looks new inside. Just a little bit of package wear.
Yeah.
So it might be 40, 50 bucks.
Remove the tape and get that ready to go.
She got this Disney ride on.
I think we have one of those and it's been sitting over there forever.
We've sent these I sent them to Amazon, and you know these have sold for 60, 70 bucks at Amazon. This just looks like
oh, maybe you should look at the other one we have over there.
It looks good. It's new. Whole tag hasn't been ripped off, and it's still connected inside.
Kitchen set. Actually, this one is new. We have all the accessories, which before the ones that we had were missing at least 2 or 3 accessories across the top there. So you might actually be able to send this one.
Yeah, one looks pretty good.
Yeah.
And we've sold those on eBay for around 100 bucks, depending on what color it is. If they're discontinued, they're worth a lot more.
It's the pink one that's discontinued, ain't it?
Yeah,
not
get
the
pink
purple
one in. The lilac one is not so much. I don't know if we've ever got a new one of these in. Those play tables?
No. Some piece has always been broke on it. Is our luck about to change?
It might. The top is good. So this is one of the play tables. The top looks good, so the question is going to be the
characters are there.
Yeah.
That's usually what
if the sides are damaged.
Yeah.
And it's even sealed along the edges. So we'll have to check it out, but these are really good money. Some of them are up to 200 bucks depending on the size of it.
I thought this one was the $200 one.
Yeah, we'll check it out, but it could be something good.
As long as we don't drop it.
This is true. So the Hot Wheels garage
Looks new.
looks pretty new to me.
Yeah, the bags inside are
So you can feel the
sealed.
bags. That's a good way to know. Once you do one new one, you can tell then where the placement of the new stuff is supposed to be, and you can reach in and feel the bags are new on it. So just a little bit extra tape that we'll deal with. I don't know what that is.
Some marble piece.
There's 200 bucks right there.
Looks like it's a coaster.
Huh.
Free wheel motion.
Coming through toasting.
See what I did there with the
I
coaster?
did. This looks like it might be new.
This is new too.
This is the Carrera first. Yeah, look at that. Brand new. We got a new one. So that is looking good.
Yeah, a lot better than I thought it was when I first looked at
I
it.
bet you this is good money.
Whoa, yeah,
Yeah.
with that many of those across the top.
Yeah, 6 across the top. We just sold one that had 2 for 50 bucks. So I bet you this would be, and it's new inside. So I bet you it's just package wear. Right there's Beyblades that are new sealed. So we'll take a look at that, but that might be a $100 bill right there.
This one looks like it's open. These really haven't been worth much, and honestly, testing them, It's hard 'cause you can't get the projector to light up, and it doesn't seem to recognize the stick when you plug it in there. We'll add this to our pallets.
I feel like these ninjas are good money. I don't know why they're not selling like 50 bucks a piece, but we haven't sold any of them.
No, we haven't.
So
I think we've been putting them on pallets.
Yeah, so we'll end up tossing these on pallets. This one might be worthy of sending. This one, not so much. So we'll check it out.
Missing accessories, so we'll add that to the pallet too.
This
Here.
pallet.
Yeah, I'll take them. Let me get out of your way.
Nerf
sir.
guns, your
My
favorite. You just go ahead and cut this off. So we got some Nerf Fortnite ARLs.
We sell those pretty good.
Yeah, this is open. This is open. And that's what Chris wants to hear. When
Which
this
means
is
that,
open.
Yep. Oh, and so is this one.
Whoa!
This one.
We just got an armory on this pallet.
All right.
So you're looking at, there's probably 130 bucks in Nerf guns right here.
Here, you want to stack them right now?
Once he goes in, he messes with them. And he enjoys doing it.
Yeah.
Probably the most fun he gets here at the warehouse.
I'm a pro.
Zebra Walker. This one has definitely been open. So this will probably just go right to the pallet. They're not worth a lot, maybe 30 bucks on these. Fantastic. First, we get these. These cost a lot to ship. They're only like 30, 40 bucks. And they cost a lot to ship, so we don't even mess with them. So we'll add this right to the pallet. And it looks to be new. Thank you, sir. Chris is becoming an expert with these things.
Clampers.
Glamper. So we'll check it out. See, but it looks like it's definitely been open. But he could probably alphabetize and let you guys know every accessory that's in this thing at this point.
Yeah, pretty much. Took me like 3 or 4 to figure it out, but we got 12 of them. Because I mean, even if we just sold the accessories, you can get 30 bucks just for the accessories themselves, even if the camper itself is broken.
This is Paw Patrol Mighty Lookout Tower. And this is gonna have to go to the pallet. This is in pretty bad shape inside. I'm gonna guess it's missing pieces.
And like we said with these, they're usually parts.
They're new.
Yeah, they almost look like it. Like they are.
Hey, look at it. I was talking about this.
Yeah.
So we had one that come in that was broken in one section. So we might be able to pull a piece out of that if this is in the same condition as the other one and actually complete it and then turn around and sell it and it is definitely open, so we might be able to turn around and sell it, one complete one for 60 bucks, and then we're not out anything.
And then even if these aren't new, we've been putting these together for parts, and we've been selling them for 60 bucks. I mean, even if they don't work, people are buying them. We'll lot a couple of them together, and they'll do whatever they want with them. It looks like the seals or the tape might be broke on this, but I mean, these look like they're in the package really freaking good. I'll let you make the call on that.
So last thing is this our generation wooden wardrobe for 18-inch dolls. We'll see if it's new. If it is, the last one sold at Amazon. If it's in really good condition, we'll sell it. If not, we'll add it to a pallet. But they're good money, but they're not worth putting a ton of time into. They break pretty easy. So, that was another quick pallet. All in all, it's not a horrible pallet. There's some decent stuff. I mean,
it's better than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, no doubt. I mean, at least 200 bucks in the Hot Wheels. We got, let's just say this pallet would pay for itself.
Yeah.
This pallet would pay for itself and make a little bit of money on it. So make sure to hit the subscribe button in the corner, share us, and then check out the next video and the one priors. And we'll be right back at it because we still got a ton of videos to go. Now's the time. Yeah, now's the time to get out there and buy this merchandise. We actually are already working on our next semi-load to come in next week. And you are flying through it pretty quick, man. We only got X amount of pallets left, so
yes, sir.
Definitely. So we'll be back. Make sure to subscribe.